Hello everybody, Dan Lopez here with Legends Realty, bringing a video walkthrough of the property located at 1312 Abagail Drive in Deltona, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1-car garage, single-family home, perfect for the first-time home buyer or the investor or the moved-down buyer. Somebody's just looking for a small place, don't need a lot of bedrooms. We're on a side street here in Deltona. And let's go ahead and do a walkthrough of the property. Actually, beforehand, let's just take a look at both sides. This is a good sized lot. Fenced in completely, central heat and air. Come to the other side. As you can see, plenty of space, even on the sides of the house. And once we start walking through the backyard as well, I think you'll be thoroughly impressed. All right, let's go ahead and make our way inside this property. Alright, as you come through the front door of this property, you'll notice that we're stepping immediately into the living room. Your kitchen dinette is directly ahead. Your kitchen is going to be off to the left of there. To our right is going to be access to the 1-car garage. Straight back is going to be the sliders to the screen patio out into the large yard. And then your 2 bedrooms and 1 bathrooms are going to be located on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and start doing a pan here of the living room. You'll notice the tile flooring, neutral decor. Kitchen offers white cabinets, dual sink, refrigerator, electric range and hood. Way down to take a look at the bedrooms. Down the hallway, we'll go into bedroom number 1. Still tile flooring, all neutral decor, built-in closet. Coming over into bedroom number 2. Tile flooring, neutral decor. Built-in closet. And now making our way to the bathroom. Tile flooring, single sink, commode, and full tub and shower. Let's go ahead and make our way back out into the living room. And let's take a quick look at the 1-car garage. So this is where you'll find your electric water heater, your hookups for your washer and dryer. It does have a garage door opener, and then your heating and AC system. Now let's take a look at the backyard. We go out to the back sliders and we're coming into the screened patio. And let's take a look outside. As you can see, it's a very large yard. Completely fenced in. Some nice mature trees. As I said, a nice little 2-bedroom, 1-bath single family home here in Deltona. Perfect for the first time home buyer or the investor or the buyer who is downsizing. This concludes our video walkthrough of the property located at 1312 Abagail Drive in beautiful Deltona, Florida. Take care. God bless.